A great pleasure for me to be here today with all of you guys out here at Battle Arena for ROG Gamers Assemble Max Out. Yeah.
Stay strong.
Our market share in Malaysia is 38%. Thank you, ROG fans and the media for your support.
Never back down with my back against the wall.
So the top of the line ROG Strix Car 16 and 18 is our highlight for today. The 13th Gen Intel Core i9 13980HX with up to 65 watts TDP, up to the GeForce RTX 4090 with 175 watt TDP, 64 gigs of RAM and 2 SSDs in RAID 0. This is getting desktop class performance in a relatively portable package. We provided the ROG Strix Car 16 and 18 with the tri-fan technology as well as the full surround vents to better cool the entire system of the ROG Strix Car series. 7 heat pipes provide up to 33% thermal coverage, up from the 20% you get in usual laptops. And the heat pipes are connected to the massive pin stacks across the side and also the back of the laptop to deliver the cooling you need to game for longer periods. In 2021, we introduced the ROG Zephyrus M16. This year, we dare to say that ROG Zephyrus M16 will allow you to transcend your reality. We are taking it even further with ROG Nebula HDR. As mentioned earlier with the Strix Car 16, this will feature the 240Hz refresh rate, 1024 dimming zones, 100% DCI P3 game mode, and also we have 1100 nits of the max brightness. So you get the best gaming visuals you have ever seen in a laptop.
And put it all on the line. I'm fearless. Yeah, I'm fearless. I'm fearless.
Nothing can ever hold me back.
Nothing.
I am unstoppable.
I'm unstoppable. I'm fearless.
I am fearless.
Yeah, you know.
I am courageous. I am strong.
I'm strong.
I am unbreakable.
You can't break me. I'm fearless.
I am fearless.
Yeah, I'm fearless.
I am fearless.
Yeah, I'm fearless. I am fearless. You know,
I am fearless.
you know,
I am fearless.
I'm fearless. Yeah, I'm fearless. I'm fearless.
Nothing can ever hold me back.
Nothing.
I am unstoppable.
I'm unstoppable.
I am fearless.
I'm fearless.
I am
Yeah,
fearless.
I'm fearless.
ROG